Hey everybody, so I got a quick video to do. It's kind of a tool haul from Home Depot. We picked up some safety items from Home Depot in Phoenix, Mesa area. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. So this is a quick video. We picked up some stuff from Home Depot. This was a total of $77.88. I picked up two different style of FirmGrip gloves. These were $17. These were $13. And these Milwaukee Advanced Protective Ultimate Performance Polarized safety glasses with gasket. These are $39.99 because the polarized darker lens version is $10 more than the regular. Oops. Dropped you guys there. It's $10 more than the regular clear lens version. So those are $29.99 for the clear lens version. The polarized lens version is $39.99. So I picked up these gloves. I was going to figure out which one I wanted to use for weed eating, which one was going to be more comfortable. I tried both of these on. These fit best in a medium for me. I normally wear large or extra large gloves because that's what fits my hands normally. But both of these fit pretty well, these FirmGrips pretty well in medium. On a different video you guys see, I actually picked up a pair of Milwaukee gloves, and the large actually fit me better than the mediums. So it just really depends on what gloves it is, what type they are. I have a lot of gloves that I have, like a lot of my mechanic gloves, like even these Hardys or even my Mechanics brand mechanic gloves. All of those are extra large. Those are the ones that fit me the best, is the extra large. I'm not really sure why, but every brand's different. It's like buying shoes. One day you'll be a 12, one day you'll be a 13. Sometimes you're a 14 depending on the shoe. I am a size 13, but for some reason, some shoes, certain boots I can wear that are size 12. Certain shoes I can wear, they're size 14 and they fit better. I don't know what it is. I think it's the way people make their shoes, but even clothing items, whatever. But these are FirmGrip ProFit Flex Impact gloves, and they're touchscreen capable. Performance fit, max dexterity, impact protection. I'm gonna pop these off real quick. Okay. Guess the lady was right at Home Depot. These are definitely cut off style. Alright, so there's these. It says on the card just ProFit Flex Impact. Cancer warning, Proposition 65 warning. Big time products. Yeah, it doesn't really say much on them. This tag right here. Where's this tag? These are FirmGrip Tough Working Gloves. These are the Trade Masters. And they're touchscreen capable. Heavy duty duck canvas impact protection, and they're quick dry. These were $13, which a lot cheaper than these guys. These guys were $17.99. These guys were $13.50 something. They were $13.97. These also have kind of like a foam on the inside kind of padding. So we got both of these unboxed in a sense. Those. I'm going to be using these for weed eating. ANSI Z87.1 plus, CSA Z94.3. Military grade impact protection. Lasting fog-free lenses. Removable gasket. These are polarized performance safety glasses with gasket. Part number 48-73-20 or 2045, my bad. So 48-73-2045. That's what they look like. They don't form fit to my face like a lot of other people's, but it should work for what I need. That's really why there's so much dust on them. Get rid of bag or in a container. There's a bunch of white little specks in here. I'm trying to get them out. There's one right there. Right there. What's in this little box right here? It's a little baggie in this box in the bottom corner. Looks like a little carrying bag. Yeah. And cleaning bag probably. Yep. Little protective bag. So we'll put those in there. We'll just stick it right there. But that's everything I picked up at Home Depot on the first trip today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have either one of these gloves and what you use them for. If you like them, if you dislike them, if they're comfortable, uncomfortable. I'm going to be testing these out for weed eating, as well as the Milwaukee pair that I bought. We'll do a different video on. But leave me a comment down below, what do you think of these gloves if you have them. They're both FirmGrip. This one is the Flex Impact, and this one's the Tradesman. I was looking at the FirmGrip Pro, but I would assume if the weed eater is 160 degrees, I live in Arizona at the moment, so 160 degrees on the metal shaft of the weed eater, and I go to pick it up, they have gel on the bottom. So they have gel all the way from the top all the way to the bottom tips of the fingers. I would imagine that wouldn't last very long. I would imagine the gel would completely melt. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think of these, if you own them, what you use them for, how you like them. And me seeing these all of these in a future video. Again, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I appreciate your guys' time, and thank you for watching. Peace.
Yeah.